Bitcoin's primary objective was to strategically maintain lower prices, enabling them to acquire assets at favorable rates. Yisko contends that this goal was effectively accomplished through the FTX debacle that occurred last year. As for the matter of potential price manipulation by institutional investors, it remains a subject of concern. As a prudent and forward-thinking individual, it is wise to consider implementing a contingency strategy, commonly referred to as Plan B. A distinguished individual with a background in institutional investment has expressed that this particular venture is currently experiencing significant popularity. This statement was made in response to a comment on one of his social media posts. Plan B states are a collection of alternative options that can be considered as part of a strategic investment approach. These states serve as a backup plan in case the primary investment strategy does. It is common knowledge that prominent institutional investors typically engage in multi-day, week, or even month-long buying orders. Interestingly, during these transactions, they often initiate a negative media campaign against the asset they are acquiring. Conversely, they actively promote the assets they are divesting. Notably, BlackRock's recent application for a Bitcoin ETF has sparked considerable discourse. It is worth noting that numerous firms have attempted and failed at this endeavor in the last decade. Consequently, there is much speculation regarding the potential ramifications of the application's approval on the Bitcoin market and the broader cryptocurrency industry. BlackRock, the esteemed global asset management firm, proudly holds the title of being the largest in its field. Its extensive clientele comprises affluent individuals, influential corporations, esteemed governments, and esteemed foundations. The asset manager boasts an impressive presence with nearly 100 offices spanning across 38 countries globally. Should a mere half of these esteemed big money investors allocate a modest portion of their substantial investment portfolios towards Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency industry shall witness an unprecedented surge in annual inflows. However, it is crucial to acknowledge the substantial consequences that accompany the participation of Wall Street giants renowned for their persistent manipulation and highly centralized business practices. Numerous astute Bitcoin investors have foreseen the potential for BlackRock to seamlessly transform Bitcoin into a comparable asset to gold, leveraging its adeptness in price manipulation and employing a combination of ethically questionable yet predominantly lawful business methodologies. Please provide your analysis on BlackRock's application and its potential impact on the cryptocurrency industry. Meanwhile, we will continue to provide updates from Plan B's tweets. Additionally, kindly consider liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and enabling notifications. As mentioned in response to another comment on his initial tweet, Plan B provides a comprehensive response to a pivotal inquiry that has captivated the collective consciousness. A Twitter user inquiry about the timing of Stage 2, to which Plan B responds by stating that the exact moment will be determined when the model turns green. Currently, we have not reached Stage 2, but we are steadily approaching it, particularly with the upcoming halving event. Plan B, the mastermind behind the Bitcoin stock-to-flow model, highlights the significant benefits that the next halving event will bring to Bitcoin. As per Plan B's analysis, the forthcoming halving event will result in reduced block rewards for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, my esteemed client, is poised to experience a scarcity in the realm of real estate, rendering it highly undervalued when juxtaposed with esteemed assets such as gold, silver, and diamond. This assertion was made by a reputable individual in a prior tweet, which I shall now elucidate. The tweet in question expounds upon the Bitcoin stock-to-flow model, which currently stands at an impressive count, resulting in a market value of a staggering $400 billion. However, when compared to the gold stock-to-flow model, which stands at an admirable 60 and boasts a market value of approximately $10 trillion, it becomes evident that Bitcoin is significantly undervalued. Similarly, the diamond stock-to-flow model, standing at a commendable 40, commands a market value of approximately $1 trillion, further highlighting the undervaluation of Bitcoin. Approximate $32,000 200-week moving average of the housing and Bitcoin would be above that, and it usually would be like 50% above that, which would indicate a range of Bitcoin of having between $40,000 and $50,000. Are you seeking to diversify your retirement savings account beyond the traditional stocks and bonds? Look no further than the esteemed iTrust Capital. Welcome to America's premier self-directed digital IRA platform, catering exclusively to individual investors. At iTrust Capital, we offer you the opportunity to leverage the flexibility and tax advantages of individual retirement accounts, IRA, while delving into the exhilarating realm of cryptocurrencies. With a diverse portfolio of over 30 esteemed cryptocurrency options, including Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, Polkadot, and Axie, we enable you to explore the thrilling potential of this dynamic market. Invest in the revolutionary Infinity Polygon and Uniswap, two promising opportunities in the cryptocurrency market. With the ability to trade these assets around the clock, 7 days a week, from the convenience of your own home, you have the power to seize investment opportunities at any time. Additionally, diversify your portfolio by investing in physical gold and silver, providing stability and security. Take control of your future retirement plans with iTrust Capital, empowering you to personally manage and shape your financial destiny. Rest assured, I assure you that Trust Capital is fully dedicated to delivering a safe and secure platform for our esteemed investors. Our esteemed platform employs cutting-edge security measures, including the implementation of advanced multi-factor authentication and the utilization of cold storage technology. These robust safeguards are meticulously designed to fortify the protection of our valued investors' assets and confidential information. Capital Trust is indeed subject to regulation by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, which guarantees that investors are safeguarded by the most stringent regulatory benchmarks. Investing has become even more exhilarating with the introduction of iTrust Capital's latest feature, the conditional transactions. This remarkable addition empowers you to establish conditional buy and sell orders, ensuring that you seize every opportunity during market rallies and avoid being ensnared in downtrends. Enter a thrilling realm of potential by embracing America's premier crypto IRA platform. Take a leap towards prosperity by accessing the link provided in the description box below. Rest assured, our platform is fortified with utmost safety and security, offering you a diverse range of options for your conventional Roth, SEP, or simple IRA. Ensure you seize the opportunity to invest in the promising future of the finance industry. Please click on the provided link to commence your journey. I am eager to hear your insights regarding Plan B's predictions. What are your thoughts on the potential impact of the BlackRock ETF application on the upcoming phase of the Bitcoin bull run? Kindly share your comments and feedback in the comment box below. Additionally, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and activating post notifications for more content of this nature. Thank you for watching.